Hello, if you are ready, open your eyes wide because the screen is about to fill with fruits and one of them will be hiding while saying, I am different. You only have 10 seconds. Subscribe now. Let's start the game. Look carefully at the symbols on the screen. Which one breaks the pattern? Well done! You earned 1 point. Keep your score in mind. There is a score table at the end. In this sequence, which one caught your attention? Great job! 1 point is yours. You can leave a like. Now it is surprise gift time. A fruit box or a fast food box. Which one would you like to eat? Those who choose fruit should like the video and write their favorite fruit in the comments. Those who choose fast food should subscribe right away and write their birthday in the comments. Can you choose the symbol that breaks the harmony? Perfect, you got 1 point. Add it up in your head. Look at the shapes and directions. Which one is different? Awesome! You earned 1 point. Leave a small mark in the comments. Can you find the animal hidden among the fruits? Well done! If you found it, 1 point is yours. You can like and continue. Do you see the one that looks different among them? Great! You got 1 point. Keep your score in mind. There is a symbol here that does not match the others. Can you pick it? Perfect. If you are right, you earned 1 point. Write "found it" in the comments. There is an important difference hidden in the pattern. Which one do you think it is? Awesome, you got 1 point. Your score is going up. Which one stands out from the others in this image? Well done! If you found the right one, 1 point. Do not forget to like. Mission section. Do you choose fruits or fast food? Those who choose fruit should like. Those who choose fast food should subscribe. Can you choose the symbol that breaks the harmony? Great job! You earned 1 point. You passed the first 10 questions. In this group, which symbol looks different? Perfect. If correct, 1 point. Keep your score in mind. Did you notice the symbol that is upside down or shaped differently? Awesome! If you caught it, you got 1 point. You can write it in the comments. Which symbol looks out of place here? Well done! You earned 1 point. Leave a like and continue. Where do you think the detail that breaks the order is? Great! 1 point is yours. Your score keeps rising. In this sequence, which difference did not escape your eyes? Perfect. If correct, 1 point. Count your score again. Can you clearly pick the symbol that breaks the harmony? Awesome! You got 1 point. Write it in the comments. In this sequence, which difference did not escape your eyes? Well done. If correct, 1 point. Do not forget to like. Which symbol is really standing out in this group? Great! You earned 1 point. Keep your score in mind. Where do you think the small difference that breaks the rhythm is? Perfect. You got 1 point. You are getting close to the end. This is the final round. Which symbol looks the most different? Legendary. You earned 1 point. Write your total score in the comments. Here is the score table. Those who scored between 0 and 5 did very poorly. Those between 5 and 10 did a little well. If you scored between 10 and 15, you did really well. And those between 15 and 20, congratulations, you are the champions. How many points did you score? We have reached the end of the game. Do not forget to write your score in the comments. Subscribe now for new Find the Different One episodes and turn on notifications. See you in the next video, Super Quiz family.